Hello, wonderful viewers. Welcome to our space of inspiration and transformation. I'm genuinely excited to dive into today's discussion. Today's journey isn't just about changing your appearance. It's about a holistic shift that encompasses both the external and internal facets of your being. So, buckle up and join me on this transformative adventure. Understanding the glow up. Let's kick things off by delving into the profound concept of the glow up. It's not a superficial makeover but a comprehensive evolution in how we live and present ourselves. The glow up is about radiating our inner light, elevating self-love, and adopting a lifestyle that exudes positivity. In this segment, we are on a quest to uncover the roots of the glow up and decipher its true essence. Personal experience. To make this journey more relatable, I want to share my personal glow up story. Like many of you, I faced initial hesitation when it came to making changes within myself. However, through a series of small, intentional steps, I began to witness the positive ripple effect it had on my life. Perhaps my experiences can serve as a catalyst for inspiration, nudging you to embark on your unique journey. Physical transformation. Now, let's dive into the tangible aspects of the glow up, the physical transformation. From choosing the right haircut to refining your clothing style, from cultivating sustainable exercise habits to establishing personalized self-care rituals, we'll explore how each of these steps contributes to the creation of a healthier, more energetic version of yourself. Stay tuned for insights that go beyond the surface level. Internal transformation. The genuine essence of the glow up lies in internal transformation. In this section, we'll unravel techniques to cultivate a positive mindset, identify and leverage your strengths, and enrich your inner world by acquiring new skills. Remember, meaningful change begins from within, and this segment is your guide on that transformative path. If you found value in today's discussion, consider expressing your support by liking and subscribing. I invite you to share your own transformation stories in the comments, as we all possess the potential to evolve into the best versions of ourselves. Embrace your journey, and I'm honored to be part of it. Until our next adventure.